Wow, this is pretty crazy. Yeah, how does it feel? Actually pretty good. Hi there everyone, welcome to Wilder Ways and welcome to my wonderful place here in the middle of the forest. I actually made a video some time ago when I just got the backpack, so it was kind of a first impression, and I went through some of the pockets and storage space, and you can see that video in my playlist, Gear and Reviews, and I will put a link in the description as well. And a lot of you guys wrote to me and asked me to make a video where I actually pack the backpack with all my stuff, all my gear for a tour, and that's what I'm gonna try today. There's a lot of stuff here and I'm very excited to see if I can fit it all and what the weight will be at the end. So hang along and see you in a second. The backpack is 55 liters and the weight itself is about 2.5 kilo, like 5 pounds. So even before we start, it's a little bit heavy itself. You have to have that in mind when you pack it as well. Tomorrow I'm actually going on a trip, so I'm gonna pack this backpack for that exact trip tomorrow. It's a 2-day trip. Only one sleepover, but I'm gonna bring all this stuff, and if I can fit it, and drive about 2 hours from my home, and from there it's about half an hour's walk to the camping spot I found. So let's see how much stuff I can bring on this trip tomorrow, and I will make a video from the trip as well, so you can see how it actually works in real life out there. And I will put that video up later on. But for now, let's put some stuff in this backpack. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff here, so and I haven't tried it yet to put all this stuff in the backpack, and I'm pretty sure, I may be wiser in a while, but I'm pretty sure I can't fit all of it. But and maybe I have to rearrange some of the stuff as we go on. But yeah, first of all, I think the bottles should be in the side pockets, and this is a large one. I have smaller ones if it can't fit, but it fits perfectly. Actually, yeah. Fits in the other pocket, and I have my cup here, and I think, see, my lamp fits in the cup, and it actually fits right here. So, and I could, there was some space left here, I could put it in here. So right now I'm trying to fit everything in the backpack. I might find out when I get to the campsite that I didn't pack it all the best way, but for now I'm just gonna see how much stuff I can fit in the backpack. So let's go to the main storage room here. One of the great things about this backpack is that you can actually open it all the way up, so it's very easy to pack stuff in here. This is not my sleeping bag. This is my sleeping bag. I will put in here. Okay, my clothes, toilet bag, towel. Yeah. I actually also want to bring my drone. I'm not sure. This is for the purpose to see how much stuff I can fit. Okay, this actually went very well. I think I will use my front pocket here for some of the electronics, the camera gear. I have my power bank, I have my selfie stick here, and the camera stand I will put on the outside. Okay, this is I'm gonna use this as a footprint for the tent. I have my small kettle here. Okay, my fork and spoon and stuff like that. I think that might put that in the front here. And my plate, yeah, starting to make sense. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if it fits. The reason I actually bought this backpack was because of this open pocket. So I could bring my fire pit, I could bring my pan and stuff like that without having to put it inside the backpack. So as you can see, and let's see if it fits. I'm actually pretty amazed already about how much stuff I could put in this. Of course, I've still got all my stuff for the outside. I actually also want to bring my my grill. Of course, I have these. If it fits for the molly, I could put it. Fits perfectly. I'm so happy. Yeah, and this one might go in here. So as you can see, there's a lot of molly all over the backpack, actually all over the backpack, so the possibilities are almost endless. I could put my camera stand pocket here, yeah, and the saw, put it in the pocket here. Wow, this is pretty crazy. Everything is in here except from the mattress. I actually didn't believe at the start that I could fit all of this stuff in the backpack, and I will say that there's still room for outside pockets on the backpack, so I could actually fit even more stuff. Okay, now this is the final test. The weight on my shoulders and the feel, comfort of it, and maybe 15 kilos. Doesn't sound like much, but it's definitely feel like much. And let me put it on. Yeah, that actually went a little easier than I was afraid of, but as you can see, that's it. Yeah. Tomorrow I will go on my tour, my trip. I will bring this backpack and say hello to George, Curious George. I will bring this backpack, this exact setup, all the stuff I put in. I might rearrange some of it before I leave tomorrow, but the only thing I need is my mattress and I will put the mattress outside here on the back. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you were enlightened or even surprised like I was about this backpack, how much stuff it can actually hold. And of course, if you liked this video and want to follow me in my life here in the forest, or my trips, tours out in the nature, or want to see more of my videos about gear and reviews, please consider to subscribe, and also share and like if you want to. I would appreciate it, and it would make me very happy. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, hopefully I will just see you in another video, or maybe out there in the nature. Thanks for watching, and have a great time out there. Bye.